Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sara Ortiz and I am a professional makeup artist based in Toronto. And in today's video, I want to show you how to create a dewy makeup look. This look is very trendy for 2021. 2021 is all about natural beauty, enhancing your features, and a no makeup look. The key behind this look is using only cream products. So for today's tutorial, I will use zero powder and I will show you how you can accomplish this look and how to make it last all day long. If you want to learn how to create this makeup look, keep watching. For my first step, I'm going to prepare my skin using the Tonos Cosmetics toner to help remove any excess oil and impurities from my skin. And I'm using this reusable and washable cotton pad to apply the product. After that, I'm using the Tonos Cosmetics Hydrating Day Cream, which has SPF protection. And even for the winter times, you need to make sure that you have some sort of skin protection. Using my hands, I will apply it all over my face. So while you wait for your moisturizer to do its job, you can go ahead and do your brows. I'm using the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim pencil. During 2021, the trend is to have very natural looking brows, and using a thin brow pencil will give you that effect. So as you can see, I'm just following the shape of my brow and creating some hair-like strokes so they look fuller and more defined. But you don't want to go too defined. This year is all about natural looking brows, natural looking skin, and everything very like minimal. Also, this year, the spiky brows are still in trend. So is that, you know, flaky brow that looks very undone. That's the look we are still seeing this 2021. And to create that effect, you can use a hair glue. This is the one Go-To-Be glue. This is great. It will also waterproof your brow product. So you just grab a little bit of the product and then gently brush the hair up. This will set your brows, and also it will blend that brow product that you already put on. And then I just brushing the hair upwards to give me that effect of like very natural spiky and flaky brow. And if you find that it's too much, just brush some of the hair down and use your fingers just to put the brow on place. So you can see the difference here, how this one looks very natural, very like I wake up like this type of brow, compared to this one that looks a little bit more defined. But with this, it will give you that spiky effect, and which is very trendy right now. Now I will apply my eye primer. I'm using the Tonos Cosmetics Eyeshadow Primer. Since for this look I'm not gonna use any powder products, I want to make sure that my eye look will last me all day. So that's why I'm using this eye primer, just to give some tackiness to my eyes. Since most of us have not been able to get some sun exposure, we haven't been able to travel, so I want to add some illuminator. This is like a bronzy illuminator. This will help bring some warmth to my face and will make me look a little bit more tan. So if you want give some color and warmth to your face using a illuminator like this one. This is from L'Oreal in the color golden, just to give some extra, shine and glow to your skin. So this is the way it looks. It's like bronzy illuminator, and I will apply it basically on the highest points of my face. You can apply it all over your skin if you want. Basically, I want to apply where the sun kisses you, just to give that bronzy effect. And it will make your skin look more glowy too, like a golden goddess. And since this is a very natural look, you can either use a BB cream or a very light coverage foundation. This time I'm using the Faseatelier in number 7, just to give my skin, a little bit of color, but I don't want a full coverage because this is a more natural look. This foundation is very lightweight, and it will just give me just that coverage that I need, just to even out my skin tone. And using a beauty blender, just to beauty sponge, to make it look more natural and flawless. And you can see how lightweight this foundation is. You can still see some of that illuminator coming through, peeking through, and that's what you want to make your skin look shiny, but it's very light coverage and just looks like your second skin. To help me conceal some of my imperfections, I will use my favorite concealer from Covergirl, and I will just add concealer on the areas that I need extra coverage, like under my eyes and here around my mouth, and this area here that I have some blemishes. I just want to add an extra layer there. So that's how concealers work. They help you blur any imperfection, and without having to wear too much foundation. So foundation will give you the base, and with the concealer you will spot conceal areas that need extra coverage. That way your makeup will look more natural too. And using my beauty sponge just to blend everything. If you have any questions about concealer and how to apply it, how to choose the right concealer for you, make sure to check my makeup do's and don'ts so you can learn more about the proper way to apply your makeup. And I am going to add some concealer, just whatever is left. I will press it on my eyelids just to help me even out my skin color on my eye and reduce any redness that I may have. Now that my skin is even and flawless, it's time to add some dimension, and I'm going to use a cream bronzer. You see me use this product in most of my videos. This is a very good product. It's a vegan product and organic, very good. And this is a bronzer that will help me just give some definition to my face and more shape, and also warm it up. And since I'm not using any powders today, I will use the same bronzer as my transition color, just to contour my eyes a little bit too. Using the same sponge, just blend the bronzer. And for the eyes, I'm using a blending brush. This is my favorite blending brush from Morphe, the E22, just to blend it on my eyes. And I'm dragging it also under my lower lash, whatever is left. And a little bit towards my brow, just to make my eye looks a little bit more lifted. For my cheeks and my eyes, I will use this liquid blush from Nars in the color Luster. It's very liquidy, so make sure you shake it before using it. I will add some on my hand using my finger. Just smile and apply. This is a very peachy color. It's very nice. It makes your skin look very healthy and glowy. And a little bit on my eyes as well. And you can use your sponge just to blend the edges, and your blending brush just to soften too and make a nice transition. To give more dimension to my eyes, I will use my favorite eyeliner from MAC. This is the in the color Teddy, and using a flat brush, I'm just gonna grab some of the product and I will apply it very close to my lash line just to frame my eyes and give it more like contrast. And I'm doing this because if I was to apply the eyeliner straight into my eye, it will make it look very harsh. And since this is a very like no makeup look, you don't want to see harsh lines. So that's why I'm just grabbing the product into my brush and then apply it close to my lash line. And also whatever is left, I'm just gonna drag it down into my lower lash just to make my eye look bigger. If you find that you want to have a little bit more dimension in the corner, you can use the same blending brush and grab some of the eyeliner and then just tap it on the corners just to give more depth to the eye. And now let's do some mascara. If you want to keep it very natural, I recommend using a lash primer just to give extra volume and extra length to your lashes, and then add your regular mascara. And for my black mascara, I'm using the Milk Makeup mascara. This mascara gives you nice volume. Some defined and voluminous lashes are key to make this no makeup look stand out. Some people even like to apply individual lashes just to make the eyes look more defined. And also you can even try lash extensions. If you're interested, I can even do a full tutorial how to do your DIY lash extensions. If you're interested, leave some comments below and I will be more than happy to make that video for you. And for the final touches, let's do some lip color, and I'm using this Tonos Cosmetics lip liner in nude. This will be like my lipstick, and I will color all my lips with this color. As you can see, it's very similar to my lip color, so it will look very natural. A nude lip liner is excellent. I think all women should have one. A nude lip liner will give you definition, it will help your lipstick last longer, and you don't have to worry about, you know, finding the perfect match for your lipstick. A nude works for any lip color. And just to give some glow to my lips, I'm using the Tonos Cosmetics Lip Plumper. This will help my lips look a little bit fuller. And this one, as all plumping lipsticks, it has that like burning sensation. That's what makes the lips look fuller. And but this is not that uncomfortable. So if you want to give it a try, this is a good, you know, to make your lips look more plump, like fuller. And this is the color. But I need a little bit more glow. So I'm going to use this Tarte cream highlighter is the Pro Glow from Tarte. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this cream highlighter. Look how pretty it is. And I will apply it on the highest point of my face just to make my skin more glowy. Since this year everything is about the dewy and glowy skin, so using cream products is the way to go to accomplish that look. And also for the winter time, since it's very cold and everything, your skin gets very dry, using cream products will give you that natural glow from within. Okay, just tapping with my fingers. See how you can see, it looks shinier now. And a little bit on the nose. I'm going to add under my brow. Just a little bit under my brow, just to lift my eyes. See how pretty it looks. And I'm using a pencil brush to do this. And if you want like a more like glossy eye, you can add some of that highlighter too, just in this inner corner, just to drag more light, make it look more shiny. And since we don't have any setting powder or any powder whatsoever, it's very important to finish your makeup application with a setting spray. This time I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is a hydrating setting spray. This will keep your skin looking glowy all day long. And especially, this is my favorite setting spray during the winter times, because as I said, your skin tends to get very dry. So this will give you that extra hydration. So here you have the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you can follow these steps to look glowy and natural. And this is one of the trends that 2021 is bringing, and super easy to accomplish. Remember that if you want to learn how to take care of your skin, make sure to check my last week's video so you can learn my step-by-step how to take care of your skin during this 2021. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumb up if you like this video. Also follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Design Toronto, and see you next week. Bye.